Let's take a look at the difference between a screen that has mixer layers and a screen that has split layers. You're looking at the output of two of my screens. Screen 1 on the left has mixer layers, and screen 2 on the right has split layers. I'll bring an image to both of these screens at the same time, and as you noticed, when bringing a layer on screen, you can't tell the difference between split or mixer layers. It's the same thing when taking a layer off of screen. Regardless of whether it has mixer or split layers, the visual effect is still the same. When changing the size, position, or other properties of the layer, excluding the source, once again, you can't tell the difference between mixer or split layers. Now I'll change the content in the layers, and when executing a transition, the difference between mixer and split layers becomes more noticeable. I'll pause the transition at about 50%, and you'll see that the screen with mixer layers allows you to see both contents at the same time. This is called a cross transition. Since the screen on the right has split layers, the old content must be removed before the new content can be displayed, as we can clearly see here since the transition is paused halfway through. As I complete the transition, you'll see the new content on both screens becomes fully visible. If I reduce the transition time, you hardly notice the difference between the two layer modes. And when executing a cut, you don't notice the difference between mixer or split layers, making split layers useful in a variety of environments.